Okay, friends, so after you are done with this lesson, you are going to find your exit ticket in another Google Forms. And like I said before, you are going to have 4 questions. The first question is going to look like this. Which sentence best states the topic of pages 1 through 6? So I know you guys don't have those pages, but we've looked at them together. You have them again on this picture, and you want to think about A. But when the other boys went inside, Willie stayed outside. B. Climbing over the fence in his backyard, he wandered alone through the woods. C. Like the other boys in Rutherford, New Jersey, Willie Williams loved to play baseball and to race his friends up and down the street. Or D. And it was true. As he walked through the high grasses and along the soft dirt paths, Willie watched everything. Which of these is about the main topic? Which of these tells you the topic? Think about what did we say was the main topic when we practiced. Your next question is going to look like this. What key detail supports the idea that Willie was interested in nature? A, he fell asleep by the river. B, he watched everything when he explored outdoors. C, there were many wild places at the time. Or D, he wandered in the woods alone. So these are all things that happened in the story, but think about that table and the supporting details. Which detail tells you about the topic? Which detail did we practice together when we saw the topic on that blue chart? Third question looks like this. In what way does Willie's exploration of nature inspire him? Think about Willie and his poems. Which of these is the best option that tells you how he was inspired? A, he stayed outside when the others went inside. B, he played baseball. C, he walked through grasses and along paths. Or D, he heard music and the sounds of the river. Which of these inspired Willie? Think about which of these did we talk about as a supporting detail. And last but not least, our vocab question. What is the meaning of the word torrent on page 6? You have a picture of page 6 together, and I want you to think about which of these words means the same. Now, we don't have a definition that says a big burst of water that moves quickly. That's not one of our options. So think about if the word torrent, which word can you plug in? Which of these can you plug in? Is it going to make most sense knowing what we already know about torrent if it means stream, if it means trickle, rocks, or music? Which of these is the best answer that matches up with what we learned the word torrent means? If you're not sure, plug it in and think about what we practiced together. And that's going to be it. This is for a grade today, so please make sure that you go back and answer these 4 questions the very best you can. If you're not sure, you might want to come back to this lesson to watch the videos since we spent lots of time practicing, so you guys should be ready. I can't wait to see your hard work and make sure to give it your very best. Take your time, go slow. Think about, is this what I practiced with Miss Papa? If it's not, you probably need to try again.